Updates fixed most issues on the new Canyon, and now it's probably the best mid-sized truck you can buy. Finding any significant downside is a tough challenge. The all-new 2025 GMC Canyon wows everybody, and here's why. The Canyon is still ahead of the competition. When it comes to customization, the new Canyon keeps things straightforward. GMC offers the truck exclusively in a crew cab with a short box setup. If you're looking for a regular cab, double cab, or a larger bed, you're out of luck. This decision aligns with General Motors' strategy, as similar limitations apply to the Chevrolet Colorado. While some might view this as a downside, the Canyon is still versatile enough for most needs thanks to a variety of other options. Updating the infotainment system will fix glitches. GMC has made improvements to ensure smoother and more responsive user experience. This fixes one of the rare complaints from Canyon owners and helps to elevate the overall driving experience. The trim level lineup is carried over, but the company has reshuffled some of the available options to meet buyers' preferences. Enthusiasts might be disappointed by missing out on the addition of another grade such as an SLE or SLT, but the current squad can meet a wide range of preferences and driving styles. The Elevation comes as the entry-level model. Don't let its position trick you. It's packed with features that provide excellent value. For those seeking a budget-friendly option, the 2025 Canyon Elevation offers a great mix of essential tech and comfort features, making it a solid starting point. For off-road enthusiasts, the AT4 and AT4X trims are the stars of the show. The AT4 is built for adventures, offering supreme capability without sacrificing driving experience for everyday commuting. The AT4X takes it a step further thanks to the enhanced off-road equipment, including unique suspension and additional skid plates, making it the ultimate choice for serious off-road challenges. At the top of the lineup are the Denali and Denali Ultimate grades, representing the pinnacle of luxury in the midsize truck segment. The Denali trim is a synonym for elegance, featuring high-end materials, advanced tech, and a premium driving experience. The Denali Ultimate, introduced this year, elevates this feeling even further, offering exclusive features that set it apart from anything else in the market. From its plush interior to cutting-edge technology, the Canyon Denali Ultimate redefines what a midsize truck can be, making it a standout choice for those who want the best of the rides. The Canyon looks so good, but it's also a workhorse. The decision to drop the V6 and replace it with a Turbo 4 unit wasn't too promising. Enthusiasts weren't excited, but efficiency improvements bought their trust instantaneously. The new powertrain is built to improve the performance of its predecessor, but with a better fuel economy. The turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission to produce 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. When it comes to towing, the GMC Canyon remains a leader in its class. With a maximum towing capacity of 7,700 pounds, it's a workhorse capable of handling everything from trailers to boats. Once again, skeptics are proven wrong as the Turbo 4 engine steps up to match the max towing capacity of the Duramax diesel. Speaking of the oil burner, it's also axed and won't come back. Enthusiasts took another blow caused by stricter emissions regulations. Well, the 2.7-liter turbo has proven to be a worthy successor, showing how far gasoline engine technology evolved. The Canyon won't disappoint when it comes to speed and agility. The pickup accelerates from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds. That's impressive even for vehicles whose main purpose isn't hauling. The Canyon offers both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive configurations. For buyers who prefer off-roading, the AT4 and AT4X trims are equipped with a 2-speed transfer case. Low-range gearing is particularly valuable when navigating steep inclines or deep mud, providing extra control. The truck also features multiple drive modes, allowing truckers to optimize performance based on the terrain and weather conditions. The Canyon will adapt to any scenarios: city street cruises, highway runs, or off-road exploration. Why the Canyon AT4 is a great choice for off-roading. The Ford Ranger Raptor, Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, and Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, all of these are packed with serious off-road gear. But the Canyon AT4 and AT4X bring a unique combination of capability, advanced tech, and practicality in its design that sets them apart. The key advantage lies in a versatile ride. Unlike the Ranger Raptor, which performs the best at high-speed desert runs, the Canyon AT4 and AT4X are built for a wider range of off-road conditions. You can tackle rocky trails, muddy paths, or steep inclines thanks to a blend of unique suspension setup, underbody protection, and Multimatic DSSV dampers. The Jeep Gladiator Rubicon is known for solid axles and available front and rear locking differentials. However, the AT4 and AT4X offer a more polished ride both on and off the road thanks to their independent front suspension and advanced traction management systems. This makes the Canyon a better choice for those who want a truck that can commute daily. When compared to the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, the Canyon lacks power and torque, but advanced off-road features such as front and rear e-lockers, 2-speed transfer case, and terrain mode provide supreme capability in extreme conditions. GMC Canyon Denali dominates the luxury truck class. The luxury segment for pickup trucks has faded, with premium brands no longer building utility vehicles, and all you can find are high-end trim levels at existing lineups. In many cases, the priciest configurations are off-road focused models. However, the GMC Canyon Denali stands out as a true luxury truck, offering an extensive array of high-tech features. Yes, the AT4 is also packed with premium goodies, but not as much as the top grade in the family. The real standout in the lineup could be the Denali Ultimate model. Building on the already luxurious Denali trim, the Ultimate takes things to a new level, with premium materials, advanced technology, and exclusive features that set it apart from the rest of the models available in the squad. For those looking for a mid-sized truck that offers a truly luxurious experience, the Denali Ultimate is the best choice, raising the bar so rivals can't catch up with it. On the larger Sierra 1500 truck, this package is adding unique wheels. If the same recipe is used for the Canyon, we might see 22-inch rims with special design. Sunroof and heads-up display are also standard, while Bose takes care of the sound system. The new Canyon Denali Ultimate might get up to 12 speakers. Also, the carbon fiber composite bed is extending the lifespan thanks to corrosion resistance, and it's also a lot lighter than the standard box. Top aftermarket customization options are for the GMC Canyon. The truck is nicely packed right from the base version and offers upgrades through optional packages such as a sports bar, convenience, tech, and trailering. But there's still a lack of some customization parts, and enthusiasts might turn to the aftermarket. The Canyon is not as popular as its GM twin, which is the Chevy Colorado, but you can still find tons of custom parts. Lift kits and suspension upgrades are favorites among off-road adventurers. You can lift the truck to 2 to 4 inches. Paired with enhanced shocks and springs, this setup not only boosts off-road capability, but also gives your truck a more aggressive look. While there are a few wheel designs and tire types available, the aftermarket offers a much broader range of options. If you're taking the truck more often into mud or deserts, there's special rubber that will enhance the performance there. Or you can just take cool rims and make the Canyon more stylish. Special lighting upgrades can do the same, but also boost overall safety, especially for night rides. Upgraded exhaust systems like a catback or dual exhaust not only improves performance, but also gives the Canyon a deeper, more aggressive revving note. Roof racks and bed liners help with the cargo management, although the spray-on bed liner comes standard on AT4 and Denali grades. Prices. The new GMC Canyon offers a wide range of packages and optional upgrades to suit different needs and budgets. Starting with the Elevation trim, this entry-level model is priced at $36,700. It's a great choice for those looking for a solid mid-size truck with essential features. Comparing it to other base configurations in the mid-size pickup market, you'll notice the Canyon costs more, but this truck is not offering a starter pack with a weak engine and attractive price tag. Although packed nicely, there are some cool options that can be added, such as four-wheel drive, which costs $3,500. For off-road enthusiasts, the AT4 trim, priced at $44,000, offers enhanced capabilities with a four-wheel drive as standard feature. The AT4X, the more extreme variant for all kinds of terrain, comes in at $55,000. This model is packed with advanced off-road features, and the price reflects what you're getting. If luxury is more your style, the Denali grade starts at $52,000. It offers a host of premium features, including a leather-trimmed interior, advanced infotainment system, and a refined ride quality. However, the Denali Ultimate tops the range at $60,000, thanks to the highest quality materials inside and the most advanced technology available, making it one of the most luxurious trucks overall on the market. In addition to these base prices, GMC offers several optional packages to further customize your Canyon, including premium paint jobs for $500, a sports bar package at $2,800, a convenience package for $1,700, a tonneau cover that costs $600, and a power sunroof priced at $1,000. Thanks for watching and see you next time.